Welcome back to my channel, guys. To my returning supporters, thank you for joining me. Today I'm making some delicious, healthy breakfast fritters using oatmeal and banana. Steps are easy as always, guys, so let's head straight to the kitchen. Here's a run through of our ingredients. Here we have a banana, baking powder, salt, flour, oatmeal, raisin, sugar, nutmeg, cinnamon, and vanilla. And our first step is to add our oatmeal along with a cup of water. Place it in a microwave for 2 minutes. Allow it to cool down before adding all the rest of ingredients. And a full list of all the ingredients I use will be in the description box below. Moving along, guys, our oatmeal already cooling down. Now I'm adding all the other ingredients. I'm going to add a little water to it so we get a nice butter. Then we move on to the other steps. This is a very healthy breakfast idea, and I think the kids will love it. For the bananas, I'm cutting it in chunks. You can go ahead and mash it if you wish, but I did mine in chunks. Moving along, here I have a pot over medium to low flame. I'm going to add some butter, after which I add about 2 tablespoons each of butter, and we're going to allow them to brown for 2 minutes. Then we flip, allow the other side to brown, and remove from pan. Then we can garnish and enjoy. And here you have it, guys, the finished products. Here I garnish them with some banana slices and strawberry, and I'm going to drizzle some maple syrup. Then we can enjoy. And to add a little touch of color, I add some mint leaf. Hope you guys find this recipe useful. Try it out. You can substitute the raisin with cranberry. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time. Bye.